Hello friend, today we are going to discuss the difference between C++ and Java. Many students does not know what is the difference between the C++ and Java. The C++ language is the object oriented language. You learn this language in the previous year, and Java is also the object oriented language that you learn in this session. So there are many differences and similarities between the C++ programming language and Java programming language. A list of top differences between the C++ and Java are here is we discuss about the comparison index C++ and Java. There is a difference between the C++ and Java. The first important difference between the C++ and Java is a C++ is a platform dependent language. C++ is a platform dependent language and Java is a platform independent language. Friend, the C++ program is why the C++ language is called as the platform dependent, because it is depend on the particular platform. It is run on particular platform, so it is called as the platform dependent. But Java is a platform independent language, because as the bytecode of this program is generated, then it will be run anywhere in the machine, so it is called as the platform independent language. The C++ is mainly used for the system programming. The system programming is if you have to generate the application software, that means system programming language, so you have to use the C++ language. The Java is mainly used for the application programming. It is widely used in Windows, web based, enterprise and mobile application. This is another difference between the C++ and Java. Next difference is a design goal. The C++ was designed for the systems and application programming. It was an extension of the C programming language. The C++ language is a extension of C programming language. The Java was designed and created as an interpreter for printing systems, but later extended as a support network computing. It was designed with a goal of being easy to use and accessible to broader audience. So Java is used for that purpose. So this is the design goal of C++ and Java. Now next one is the go to statement. You know that go to statement is a unconditional statement. The C++ support the go to statement, but Java does not support the go to statement. The next difference between the C++ and Java programming is the multiple inheritance. The C++ supports multiple inheritance. Java does not support multiple inheritance through class. But when we support when the Java support multiple inheritance, if we use the interface in Java, then we support the multiple inheritance in Java. Now next one is the operator overloading. The C++ support operator overloading, but Java does not support the operator overloading concept. Next is the pointers. The C++ support pointers. You know that C++ is the extension of C language, and the pointer concept is used in the C++ language. You can write the pointer program in a C++. Java support pointer internally. However, you can write the pointer program in Java. You cannot write the pointer program in Java. It means the Java is restricted pointer support in Java. The next difference is a compiler and interpreter. The C++ use compilers only. C++ is compiled and run using the compiler, which convert the source code into the machine code language. You know that when we compile C language code or C++ language code, it will be convert the source code language into the machine code language. So C++ is a platform dependent, because it have a platform. So with the help of the platform, it will be converted into the source code to machine code, that means source code to assembly language program. The Java uses compiler as well as interpreter both. Java source code is converted into the bytecode as a compilation time. The interpreter execute this bytecode at runtime and produce the output. The Java is interpreted, that is why it is a platform independent language, because bytecode is run anywhere in the system. Now next one is the call by value and call by reference. The C++ supports both the concept call by value and call by reference, because the C++ support the pointer concept. The Java does not, Java support only the call by value concept. There is no call by reference in Java, because Java is restricted for the pointer concept, so there is no call by reference in the Java. Then next one is the structure and union. C++ supports both the concept structure as well as union, but Java does not support structure and union. Then thread support. C++ does not have built-in support for threads. It realizes on third-party libraries for thread support. It does not have any built-in support for thread, but Java has built-in thread support. This is the difference of thread support in C++ and Java. Next one is the documentation command. The C++ does not support documentation command. You know that. In the C++ there are only two types of command, multi-line command and single line command. But Java support the documentation command also. The documentation command is represented by the syntax slash star star. Here is the number of statement and star slash. To create the documentation for Java source code, we use the documentation command. The C++ does not support the documentation command. The next difference is the virtual keyword. The C++ support virtual keyword so that we can decide whether or not override a function. The Java has no virtual keyword. We can override all non-static method by default. In other words, the non-static methods are virtual by default. By default, the non-static method are virtual. Now next one is the unsigned right shift operator. The unsigned right shift operator in the C++, it does not support the unsigned right shift operator, but the Java support unsigned right shift operator that fill 0 at the top of the negative number, and if there is a positive number, then it works same as the right shift operator in the Java. This is the right shift operator apply on C or C++ also. Now next important concept is the inheritance tree. The C++ create a new inheritance tree always. The inheritance is nothing but we can generate a new class from existing one. This is called as the inheritance. The Java use a single inheritance tree always, because all the classes are the child of the object class in Java. Note that all the classes are the child of object class in Java. So the object class is the root of the inheritance tree in the Java. Now next one is the hardware. The C++ language is nearer to the hardware. The C++ language is nearer to the hardware, but Java does not so interactive with hardware. Next concept is the object oriented. The C++ is an object oriented language. However, in a C, single root hierarchy is not possible. The Java is also an object oriented language, you know that. However, everything except the fundamental types is an object in Java. You know that. Everything, that means accepting the fundamental types, the everything is the object in an Java. So it is the single root hierarchy, as everything get derived from the java.lang.object package. Java.lang.object package. So friend, these are the differences between the Java and C++ language. Why the Java is more prefer than the C++ language, because there are some drawbacks in the C++ language that are covered with the help of the Java, and many industries now work on the Java core Java platform for coding purpose. So for developing the application program, we use the Java programming. Generally, when we develop the system programming, then we use the C++ or C language. But for application oriented language, today the Java is preferred. So Java is used for developing the application programming concept. Hope you have to understand today's lecture. Thank you, friend.